Hello everyone. From today I am starting a new series. In this I will tell you how to make HTML web pages. So let's get started. Make HTML web page. We open Notepad in computer. After opening Notepad we have to type HTML code. First we type HTML tag like this. Then we have to type head tag, title, and meta tags comes under head tag. Type title tag. Title tag is used to define title of web page. It is visible in the title bar upright. 10. Type the title and close the title tag. After closing title tag, close head tag as well. Then type body tag. It is the most important tag. All the elements visible in a web page is written in body tag. To give a heading to web page we type the H1 tag. There is tag from H1 to H6. H1 tag is used for largest heading. H2 is second largest. H3 is third largest and so on. Give a heading and then close H1 tag. Close body tag. And then close HTML tag. Then go to File and save it with HTML extension. Open the saved file and the web page will look like this. Thanks for watching.